Hello Professor, I am Hassan Mohammad Zahid. I am a student of Global MBA in Keimyung University. Today I am going to present a dispute settlement case which is between Thailand versus Philippines. The title of this case is Customs and Fiscal Measures on Cigarettes. So, in this case, the complaint party is Philippines and respondent party is Thailand, and third parties are Australia, China, European communities, India, Chinese Taipei, and United States. Now, overview of this case. In 2008, Philippines launched a complaint against Thailand in a dispute over cigarette taxes and duties. Why? Because the Philippines claims that Thailand administers measures in a partial and unreasonable manner and thereby violates Article 10, Clause 3, Subclause A of GATT 1994. So, what GATT 1994 Article 10 is? It is about public administration, publication and administration of trade regulations. Here the provisions of this paragraph shall not require any contracting party to disclose confidential information which would impede law enforcement or otherwise be contrary to the public interest of particular enterprises, public or private. In subclause 3A, each contracting party shall administer in a uniform, impartial and reasonable manner with its laws, regulations, decisions and ruling of the kind described in paragraph 1 of this article. Thai fiscal and customs measures include customs valuation practices, excise tax, health tax, TV tax, VAT regime, retail licensing requirements and import guarantees imposed upon cigarette importers. It is simply but the Philippines claim that Thailand administers these measures in a partial and unreasonable manner. In Article 3, Clause 4, here the national treatment on internal taxation and regulation. Here the product of the territory of any contracting party importer into the territory of any other contracting party shall be accorded treatment no less favorable than that accorded to like products of national origin in respect of all laws, regulations and requirements affecting their internal sale, offering for sale, purchase, transportation, distribution or use. So, it is unfair, and in simple terms, Thailand is not treating imported tobacco products from Philippines equally as its own domestic tobacco products. The Philip Morris and Fortune Tobacco was lobbied Basically, what happened from first to last? In 2006, the Philippine government filed a complaint at the World Trade Organization on behalf of Philip Morris Philippines Manufacturing. After its meeting on 17 November 2008, the DSB established a panel. Australia, the European Communities, Chinese Taipei, and United States reserved their third-party rights. Subsequently, China and India reserved their third-party rights. On 16 February 2009, the panel was composed. On 3rd September 2009, the chairman of the panel informed the DSB that due to the complexity of the dispute and the administrative or procedural matters involved, the panel is not able to complete its work in 6 months. The panel expected to issue its final report to the parties in the course of March 2010. On 17 March 2010, the chairman of the panel informed the DSB that due to procedural delays caused by the administrative matters involved and the complexity of the dispute, the panel now expected to issue its final report to the parties in the course of June 2010. On 15 November 2010, the panel report was circulated to members, and in final report, WTO panel ruled in favor of Philippines. In final report, WTO panel ruled in the favor of Philippines, so Philippine own. But on 22nd February 2011, Thailand notified the DSB of its decisions to appeal to the appellate body. The appellate body rejected Thailand's characterizations of the measure as administrative requirements and also upheld the panel's finding that Thailand acts inconsistently with Article 3, Clause 4 of the GATT 1994 by according less favorable treatment to imported cigarettes than to like domestic cigarettes. So in conclusion, on 23 September 2011, Thailand and Philippines came to a mutual agreement, but in the latest DSB meeting on 27 February 2013, Philippines do not agree that Thailand had really implemented recommendation and ruling. So this is all about of this case. Thank you, Professor.